How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Solution: we have to find the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are: first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is equal to 105. Next number is equal to 105 plus 7, that is equal to 112. Therefore, the series becomes 105, 112, 119 and so on up to 994. It forms an AP. Here A is equal to 105, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 112 minus 105, that is equal to 7. From the series we can observe that last term L is equal to 994. That implies A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 994. Substituting A is equal to 105 and D is equal to 7, we get 105 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994. By solving this, we get 105 plus 7n minus 7 is equal to 994. That implies 7n plus 98 is equal to 994. Transposing 98 to the other side, we get 7n is equal to 994 minus 98. That implies 7n is equal to 896. That implies n is equal to 896 by 7. That implies n is equal to 128. Therefore, there are 128 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7.